Hi everyone, I'm Maxim and Attitude. Today I'll be talking about the toy and surface cleaner for kids. We all know that babies and toddlers use their mouth and gums on just about anything, from toys to food and pretty much anything they come into contact with. That's why it's very important to ensure that everything they grab is clean. Our products are Eco-Logo certified to ensure they're made under the best manufacturing practices. Plus, they're PETA certified, which means we never test them on animals or use animal-derived ingredients. Plus, our packaging is made with the most easily recyclable material, HDPE. These products don't contain any ingredients of concern according to EWG standards, so you can clean with total peace of mind. Our toy and surface cleaner is made with plant-derived ingredients like saponins, mild foaming agents, and mild surfactants, which work together to get rid of dirt. Our formula is rinse-free, so you can imagine how gentle it is. It is dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic, unscented, and free of preservatives, so you can spray away without worry. Simply spray and wipe. You can use it to clean toys and all surfaces with which kids come into contact with. What I love about it is how gentle and practical it is. Although it's designed for kids, feel free to use it for cleaning your pet's toys as well. Give this product a try and let us know what you thought. We'd love to have your feedback. Thank you, and see you next time.